So PK was in town. He wanted to do a little update video of the mods. Unfortunately, on the way there, it was pouring rain. You can see just how dirty the car is. So we're going to test out the GYEON Q2M Foam. It's a pre-wash and it doesn't affect any coatings or wax and it's pH neutral. So you literally just mix it with water, 5:1 ratio, let it sit for a couple minutes and then rinse it off. So let's see how good of a job it does just doing that without any wiping or anything, just applying the pre-wash and rinsing it off. Before I forget, let's put the rain guard in. So I haven't sprayed the car down with water or anything. I'm just going to hit it straight with the GYEON Foam. Let's start the timer. Let's do 3 minutes. All right, it's been 3 minutes, so let's go ahead and rinse it off. This is after the GYEON Q2M Foam. I would say it probably removed about 85% of the dirt, maybe even close to 90. I wouldn't mind just leaving it like this if I'm feeling lazy. The rears on these Type Rs are known for just accumulating so much dirt and dust right there, and it did a really good job of getting it off. So typically I just use my car wash shampoo and I do a pre-rinse, but the GYEON Foam is way more foamy and bubbly, and so from now on I'll be using that product instead to pre-wash. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think.